Moving average convergence divergence or MACD, invented in 1979 by Gerald Apple, is one of the most popular technical indicators in trading. Hi everyone, this is Ashkan. In this video I will show you how you can using MACD indicator for forex trading. We will talk about different formations of this indicator and their meanings. What is the MACD indicator? Moving average convergence divergence or MACD is appreciated by traders around the world for its simplicity and flexibility, as it can be used either as a trend or momentum indicator. How does MACD indicator works? The concept behind the MACD is fairly straightforward. Essentially, it calculates the difference between an instrument's 26-day and 12-day exponential moving average or EMA, one of the two moving averages that makes up the MACD. The 12-day EMA is obviously the faster one, while the 27-day is slower. In the calculation of their values, both moving averages use the closing price of whatever period is measured. In the MACD chart, a 9-day EMA of the MACD itself is plotted as well, and it acts as a trigger for buy and sell decisions. The MACD generates a bullish signal when it moves above its own 9-day EMA, and it sends a sell sign when it moves below its 9-day EMA. It's simple and powerful strategy that can help you to generate signals by remain MACD histogram and signal line. Signal line is moving line that's calculated by histogram data. As you can see in this image, signal line and the MACD histogram has some cross points. That points are our entry signals, sell signal. Okay. When MACD histogram cross down signal line and histogram be above zone, it's sell entry time. Buy signal. When MACD histogram cross up signal line and histogram be below zone, it's buy entry time. Center line crossover. As you see, MACD histogram move up and down around zero level. Histogram cross zero level to enter in negative or positive zone. Cross zone line time are important and can be or signal by signal. Uh, when the MACD line moves above the zero line to turn positive, then a bullish centerline crossover occurs. This occurs when the 12-day EMA moves above the 26-day EMA. Sell signal. If the MACD line moves below the zero line to turn negative, then it's a bearish center line. This occurs when the 12-day EMA move below the 26-day EMA. MACD divergence. If the security price divergence from the MACD, it's a signal of a potential new trend. This shows a point where the MACD does not follow price action and deviates. When the price action makes a new low but the MACD does not confirm with a new low, then it's a positive divergence or bullish divergence. When the price of the security makes a new low but the MACD does not confirm a new high, then it's a negative divergence or bearish divergence. Bullish divergence example. As you see in this image, we have bullish divergence examples. Price made a new low, but MACD couldn't confirm this new low. This combination made made a nice buy signal. A bearish divergence example. As you see in this image, we have bearish divergence example. Price made new high, but MACD couldn't confirm this new high. This combination made nice sell signal. Okay, that's all uh, about MACD. I hope this video can help you to use this indicator. As always, please do not forget to like video and subscribe our channel for new videos. Thank you.